Imagine you're walking beside a peaceful river. The water flows gently, nature sounds fill the air, and suddenly you notice something unusual. In the middle of the river stands a huge dam made of wood and branches. But what's even more surprising? This dam wasn't built by humans. It was built by a small animal called a beaver. Beavers may look cute and relaxed, but in reality, they are among the most intelligent and hardworking animals in the wild. They can cut down trees, build dams, and even change the course of rivers. Because of these incredible abilities, beavers are often called nature's engineers. In today's video, we'll explore the fascinating world of beavers. We'll learn how they live, how they build their dams, discover amazing facts, and understand why they are so important to the ecosystem. So grab a snack, and let's dive into the incredible world of beavers. Beavers are semi-aquatic mammals. That means they live both on land and in water. They are commonly found in rivers, lakes, wetlands, and forests near water. Their bodies are perfectly designed for aquatic life. They have webbed feet that help them swim efficiently. Their tails are broad and flat. These tails act like rudders while swimming. Their tails also store fat reserves and help warn other beavers of danger. When threatened, a beaver slaps its tail against the water. The loud splash serves as an alarm signal for nearby beavers. One of the most famous features of a beaver is its teeth. Their front teeth are large and continue growing throughout their lives. That is why they constantly chew wood to keep their teeth from becoming too long. Despite chewing trees all day, their teeth remain incredibly strong. In fact, beavers can fell entire trees using only their teeth. The most famous thing about beavers is their ability to build dams. They use branches, logs, mud, and stones to construct barriers across rivers. The primary purpose of these dams is to create calm pools of water. Still water helps protect them from predators. It also allows them to store food more easily. Beavers work tirelessly when building their dams. They carry wood using both their mouths and paws. Sometimes their dams become enormous. Some beaver dams are even visible from space. These structures can stretch for hundreds of meters. Most impressively of all, they build everything without modern tools. They rely entirely on instinct and teamwork. Because of these abilities, scientists have long admired beavers for their intelligence. In addition to dams, beavers build special homes called lodges. These homes are usually located in ponds or along riverbanks. Lodges are made from sticks, mud, and branches. From the outside, they look like ordinary piles of wood. But inside, there are warm and dry chambers where beaver families live. The entrance to a lodge is usually underwater. This helps protect them from predators such as wolves and bears. During winter, the lodge helps keep the family warm. Beavers also store food near their homes. This allows them to continue eating even when rivers freeze. Beavers usually live in family groups. A beaver family often consists of parents and their offspring. They work together in many aspects of life, from building dams to caring for young beavers. Young beavers learn a great deal from their parents. They learn how to swim, build structures, and find food. Beavers are also known for being extremely hardworking. Most of their time is spent maintaining and improving their dams. If a section of the dam is damaged, they repair it immediately. Their building instinct is incredibly strong. Even the sound of running water can trigger them to start building. That is why beavers constantly maintain their dams to keep them strong and secure. Beavers are herbivores. That means they eat plants. Their main foods include tree bark, leaves, small branches, and aquatic vegetation. They especially enjoy the bark of certain tree species. During summer, food is easier to find. However, in winter they depend heavily on stored supplies. That is why they stockpile branches underwater near their lodges. Beavers have remarkable adaptations for surviving cold winters. Their fur is also extremely thick. This dense fur helps keep them warm in icy water. Although they are small, beavers have a huge impact on the environment. The dams they build create entirely new habitats for many animals. Beaver ponds support fish, frogs, birds, and aquatic plants. Their dams also help reduce flooding. Water flows more slowly and steadily through the landscape. Beaver dams can also store water during dry seasons. For this reason, many scientists consider beavers essential ecosystem engineers. However, not everyone appreciates them. Sometimes their dams can interfere with farmland or human infrastructure. Even so, more people are beginning to understand the tremendous environmental benefits that beavers provide. Did you know that a beaver's front teeth are orange? This color comes from a special enamel layer rich in iron. The iron makes their teeth extremely strong. Beavers can also hold their breath underwater for surprisingly long periods. They often swim while carrying branches or food. In addition, their ears and nostrils automatically close when they dive. This prevents water from entering their bodies. And here's another fascinating fact. Beavers have special lips behind their front teeth. This allows them to chew wood underwater without swallowing water. This adaptation is incredibly useful when constructing dams. Beavers may not be the fastest animals or the most fearsome predators, but their intelligence and engineering abilities are truly extraordinary. With their dams, lodges, and teamwork, they can completely transform their environment. Very few animals have such a significant impact on nature. Beavers prove that even small creatures can play a huge role in the world around them. And the more we learn about them, the more we appreciate the wonders of the natural world. So, which beaver fact surprised you the most? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoy videos about wildlife and fascinating animal facts, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss our next adventure. See you in the next video.